Model, 67-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS 270 Limited Front-Wheel Drive L1 Noisy Engine VAT Inc. Bargain. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 57,591. MOT, the 2nd of October 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,495 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999